In this video we'll be looking at how we can integrate Tricentis qTest with Curiosity software to export tests from Test Modeler into qTest. In this demo we'll be looking at Test Modeler, which is a tool for model-based testing. Test Modeler has many accelerators for building models and getting started, one of them including importing manual tests. Once you have a model, you can export tests out to many test case management tools, including Tricentis qTest. You can link up test data, and you can also link up and generate automation in many different automation frameworks. We're just in Test Modeler here, and we have created a model for a login process. And we've basically got a visual image here which represents when we end up authenticated and when we end up in some kind of error. And we've just gone through and auto-generated 4 test cases here, and you'll see those tests go through different routes through our model here. Our 3 negative paths where we end up in an error, and our 1 happy journey, which is where we end up authenticated. Now once we've auto-generated tests, we can push these out into some kind of test case management tool. One of those tools we have integration for is qTest. So we'll come in here and we'll create a new folder, and we'll call this our login module, and we'll hit export. Our export is complete, and if we take a look against these paths, we've now got a link associated. If we open up the links dialog, we'll now see that we have got an export here into qTest and a corresponding URL. So we'll pick our happy journey here, we can open that up, and that is going to directly open qTest, and we'll see here all the tests that have been exported in our login module that we just created. And down below here we've got our different test steps that have come through as part of this process. Thanks for watching this video. Visit testmodeler.io to start your free trial today.